This is Bridgend Project SEARCH.
My name's Bradley, I'm 19 years old. I'm currently an intern on Project SEARCH Bridgend, and I'm currently working at the fracture clinic at the Princess of Wales Hospital right here in Bridgend, and also I work in Seven Support in Tickerston.
My name is Rhys Harris. I am currently doing my internship at the pharmacy inside Princess of Wales Hospital.
I'm Olivia Newen. I'm based at Glanreed Hospital Mental Health.
Hi, my name is Luke and I work in portering, which is a bit of everything.
Hi, my name is James Daniel and I work in the supporters as in the porters.
My name is Andrew Stevens and I'm working here mental health because I want a chance to prove myself.
Hi, I'm Jordan and I'm currently in A&E.
Well, the interns come into class at 9 o'clock in the morning. They're in class for an hour. During that time we do a level 1 certificate in work-related education. After that then they go to their workplace.
So once we've sourced a job for the interns, then we use the one-to-one job coaching with our expertise to make sure they get the support they require to learn the new tasks and any social support they require as well, and to use their new skills and progress throughout the 3 internships. So by the end of the internship, they will be in a position where they're job ready.
Well, as when I started, I was very nervous of working in there. I wasn't too sure if I was going to get to know everyone too well. But as the weeks progressed, my confidence has boosted massively, and I'm now getting along with everyone.
The delivery note goes in like a rule, something like this, so that the people on the ward will know what they're getting.
I feel I've progressed from someone shy to someone confident. Well, I'm always happy when I work.
I think I've got more confident, like talking to customers and my colleagues. Learned more skills, I would say, as well. The skills I've learned is timekeeping skills, organising, when I'm organising the files, and communication, where I've been talking to customers.
Go ahead and do it because it will give you the skills you need towards a job.
I would say being more confident, getting to know, meet new people, going around the hospital, doing new skills.
I think I developed more in communication because I am not a talkative person. I've started talking to meet new people, started talk to them and all that.
Before I started this internship, I might be lacking just a bit of confidence, but since I've been doing it, my confidence has gone really well, and also my professionalism has really improved a lot.
Each new task that the interns take on, we will always have somebody from Project SEARCH to assist them.
Since the start of the internship, I've gradually seen each intern develop in their own way, and to look at them now, they're absolutely unrecognisable to the way that they were at the beginning of the year.
It's been really good actually. We've seen them develop as they come in. They started off a bit unsure, and over the weeks we've seen them grow and develop, and they've helped operationally.
He enjoys every day he comes in. It's very visible. He's probably the most cheerful person we've had come through the department. And he's just very willing and he's very able. Every challenge we've set him, he's met it. He picks up his mistakes. He's picked up other people's mistakes.
They should be very, very proud of themselves, really, for what they've achieved so far.